everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a giveaway with Google Forms. Running a giveaway is a great way to engage your audience, grow your brand, or reward your followers. Now Google Forms provide an easy way to collect entries, track participant details, and randomly select winners. And here's how you can set up a giveaway using Google Forms and manage it efficiently. The first step is to create a Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once logged in, you'll be going to be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, go to the Start a New Form section and click on Blank Form. Now here, title is Giveaway Entry Form. Giveaway Entry Form. Now the second thing is include a description with the giveaway rules. You can write the rules here in the form's description right here. The second step is to add required entry fields. You can add full name, which should be a short answer by clicking here on the section questions, and you can add questions and choose the type of questions. Now add a full name and select short answer here. Add an email address, also a short answer, social media handle, multiple choice questions, agreement checkboxes, etc. Third step is to enable response collection and avoid duplicates. And to do that, click on settings and go to the responses section right here and click on this arrow to display the options. From here, go to collect email addresses and click on verified. Turn on limit to one person, one response per user to prevent multiple entries. Here, toggle this option here that requires sign in. The fourth step is to link responses to Google Sheets. And to do that, go to the responses tab and click on link to sheets. And this says create a new spreadsheet. You can title the spreadsheet and click on create. Now the fifth step is to select a winner randomly, and to do that, open the Google form, open the Google Sheets response file and use the formula rand between 1 and total entries to pick a random row number. And as for the sixth and final step, announce and contact the winner by emailing or messaging him directly using the provided details. And that's it for today's tutorial. Google Form is a simple yet powerful tool for running a giveaway by collecting participant details, storing responses in sheets, and selecting winners randomly. You can manage giveaways easily and fairly. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.